This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Scifres. This beautiful craftsman-style ranch home with 3-car garage is absolutely beautiful. It offers a split floor plan with the owner's suite on one side and the other 2 bedrooms on the other. The home has engineered hardwood flooring, ceramic tile, upgraded carpet, soaring open ceilings, and granite countertops. It is so lovely and open, you won't be able to resist it. A cool feature the owner added: electronic blinds in the dining and great room. Convenience to both Bloomington and Ellettsville makes this a stellar location, close to I-69, IU, restaurants, and shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact Scifres at 812-323-1231.